Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. Today is your English literature class time for class 7 week 3 13 July till 17 July. Lesson number 1, Bad in Summer by Robert Louis Stevenson. Here we go. Bad in summer. In winter, I get up at night and dress by yellow candlelight. In summer, quite the other way. I have to go to bed by day. I have to go to bed and see the bird is still hopping on the tree, or hear the grown up people's feet still going past me in the street. And does it not seem hard to you when all the sky is clear and blue, and I should like so much to play to have to go to bed by day? इस पोम में आपको ये बताया जा रहा है कि सीज़न किस तरह से बच्चों की ज़िंदगियों पर असरअंदाज हो रहे हैं, और पोइट ये बताना चाहता है कि जिसकी वजह से वो ब्यूटी ऑफ नेचर को इन्जॉय नहीं कर पा रहा, क्योंकि सर्दियों में सूरज देर से निकलता है और जल्दी गुरूब हो जाता है, और इसी तरह गर्मियों में जल्दी निकलता है और देर से गुरूब होता है। इसी वजह से पोइट जो हैं वो एक उदासी की कैफियत ज़ाहिर कर रहे हैं कि उनको ऐसा लगता है कि ये अनफेयर है कि जल्दी उठना और जल्दी सो जाना समर में, गर्मियों के सीज़न में। Assignment number 1. In this we shall discuss words meaning, fill in the blanks, choose the correct answers, true, false. Objective. By the end of the lesson, student will be able to understand the difficult words and their meanings. Choose the correct answer for blanks. Differentiate between true and false statements. Here we go. Let's start words meaning. You have to write the meanings of the following words. Hopping, jumping, grown up and adult, seem, a particular quality, quite, completely, way, path or road. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, Robert Louis Stevenson was one of the most popular dash poet, Scottish poet. Number 2, people cannot enjoy the dash of nature, beauty of nature. The dash rises late in winter, the sun. The sun rises early in dash, summer. Poet is unhappy. The blank word is unhappy because he does not get enough time to play. Choose the correct answers. In this choose the correct answer, you have to choose the right answer and fill the blanks. In winter, I get up at dash. The right answer is night. The bird is still hopping on the dash, tree. The right answer is tree. When all the sky is dash and blue, the right answer is clear. In dash, quite the other way. The right answer is summer. The poet talks about the feelings of dash. The right answer is children. True and false. You have to write the statements either true or false. Robert Louis Stevenson was an American teacher. False. Robert Louis Stevenson was an Scottish poet. Season affect everyone's life. The answer is right. Sky is clear and yellow. False. Sky is clear and blue. In winter, the sun rises late. The answer is right. Poet loves summer season. The answer is false. Homework time. Write down the words meaning in your copy from slide number 7. Similarly, fill in the blanks from slide number 8. Choose the correct answer from slide 9 and true first from slide number 8. There is a reminder for you. Copies will be submitted for checking on Friday 17 July and check copies will be returned on Monday 20 July. Office timing will be 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. So don't forget to submit your copies. Thank you students for watching this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming learning videos.